Many Americans losing their coverage. There's even more concern over the problems with the website.
Fox 17's national correspondent Christine Frizzell now to take a look at some of the issues ahead.
The first month of sign-ups for the Affordable Health Care Law has been filled with surprises.
It is really very unclear right now exactly what the situation is.
The situation now is a website that doesn't work properly. And millions finding out their individual health plans will be changing. The question now on many people's minds, what's next?
Well, I think the very next thing to hit is going to be what people are calling sticker shock. That is, when people find out how much their premiums are going to rise.
Those answers are hard to find on the website as it's functioning today. The Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, which runs the site, says a full fix is still on track for the end of November.
We are working literally around the clock to make that happen.
But Marilyn Tavener, who was also supposed to have the website's security systems resolved before the October 1st rollout, never did.
She signed off on basically a form that said it was only partly completed. But she said, we're going to go ahead and launch, and we'll complete that security testing as we're fixing the site over the next couple of months.
Finally, one of the biggest problems could be about a year away. The Cato Institute's Michael Tanner says the cancellations for employers whose current plans don't comply with Obamacare regulations could cause an avalanche of issues for employees who depend on the coverage.
They may either decide to drop insurance altogether, pushing more people into the exchanges, having to buy insurance on their own, or they may cut back in other ways they pay employees.
One thing we're hearing quite a bit here in Washington is better now than later. Obama administration officials say there's a reason Americans were given 6 months to sign up and say that problems will continue to be dealt with as they come.
It is better today than it was in early October, and it gets better virtually every day as these fixes are made.
But so far, sign-ups have mostly been older people. If younger Americans don't sign up eventually, it could put in jeopardy the entire structure of the law. In Washington, I'm Christine Frizzell reporting.